Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert image in Gmail body. To start, open Gmail. You are going to click on Compose to create a new mail. In the open window, click on Insert Photo. In this section, you can use some of the images that are lodged locally. Additional, you can go to the Upload tab. Here, click on choosing photos to upload so you can look for the desired image in the PC. Click on Open when the selections. Automatically, the image will be added to the email. From here, you can make some adjustments on the image if you consider it necessary. It is important that you know that you can use the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V keys to copy and paste the image directly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.